In this video, we present an overview of two novel temporally stable labeling methods for dynamic scenes. Here we compare our first method, denoted as offline temporal, suitable for offline processing of the entire interaction or the video in advance, such as annotation of drone shots, with previous work of Gemza et al. The second method, denoted as online temporal, is designed for real-time interactive applications, for example, terrain viewers, augmented, and virtual reality. The main idea of our proposed methods is to minimize the vertical and horizontal movement of labels during interaction with a scene. The offline temporal method processes the entire interaction in advance and reserves the space for the whole movement of a label. The online temporal method processes the entire interaction frame by frame. Nevertheless, it keeps the label layout of the previous frame to minimize the movement of the labels from their last position. Both methods are formulated as mixed-integer programming problems. The offline temporal method is split into three stages: pre-processing, label interval to row assignment, and within-row label placement. The online temporal method is a single-stage procedure. Also, both proposed methods can be easily extended to customize the label layout to fit different needs. We describe the alpha blending to smooth the transition of labels, and optimization of labels visibility based on prominence. We have conducted a user study focused on accuracy. We prepared a web-based application to assess whether proposed offline temporal and online temporal methods 1. Improve the ability of the user to follow the labels in time, and 2. Influence the ability of the label layout to mediate the interconnection between the labels and the features. In the first task, we instructed the participant to find the label associated with a highlighted anchor. In the second task, the goal was to find the anchor associated with a highlighted label. The third task was to follow a specific label moving in time and then select the label. To assess the perceived quality of the presented methods, we have conducted a second study based on the 2IFC technique. In the non-interactive experiment, we presented to the participants a pair of video sequences sequentially. Their task was to select perceptually more pleasant. Participants of the interactive experiment could freely interact with the scene. Their goal was to try out several methods and later create the ranking. Participants of both experiments stated that the label layout produced by both proposed methods is significantly more pleasing than the label layout of previously published methods.